Hello everybody and welcome to our channel, Ultra Blue channel. So we are done with Microsoft Word from beginners to advanced, and just as we promised, we'll be following it up with PowerPoint presentation. So we'll go over what PowerPoint is, who will find relevance with this course, and also some requisites. Today marks the beginning of our journey into the world of PowerPoint mastery. So whether you're a beginner or you're looking to publish your skills, this course is kind of like a roadmap to creating presentations on your own unassisted. Alright, so let's see who will find relevance with this course. If you are in the tertiary level, either in a college or university, you've been probably bombarded with a lot of assignments which requires you to put them in the form of presentation. So after going through this course, I can assure you that at least you'll be able to make a decent presentation on your own. Now let's talk about some prerequisites, some of the things you need in place before you can follow up with this course. You would simply, before proceeding with this tutorial, you should have Microsoft Office installed on your computer. You should have a basic understanding of computer peripherals, understand how to use a mouse, a keyboard, monitor, screen, etc., and their basic operations. So now let's start up by opening PowerPoint presentation. There are about 5 different ways you could do this, but I'm just going to show you the 2 easiest ways I do this. So the first way is to just come down to your taskbar and click on Start. After clicking on Start, just type PPT. PPT stands for PowerPoint presentation, and you see it over here. If you don't want to do it that way, you can just come back to your Stats, go to Apps. If you are using Windows 10, you don't need to go to Apps. You just scroll down till you find PowerPoint. And yep, PowerPoint over here. So a single click will do the trick and it will lead you to PowerPoint presentation. And since we are starting this course from beginner to advanced, we are going to use a blank presentation for now. So now, after using a blank presentation, blank presentation, I guess, you would be presented with this screen over here. And as usual, we don't want to make this course overwhelming, so we are going to pause here. Hopefully the next time or in the next tutorial, we are going to talk about all these functionalities over here. We're going to talk about how you use these things. Let me put up a drawing tool here. So on the next tutorial, we're going to learn how to use all these, learn how to use we'll learn what all these tools here are for. We're going to learn everything about PowerPoint presentation. We're going to talk about these buttons over here. We're going to go to the backstage view and we will discuss a whole lot of this tutorial. So if you think this is going to help you doing your assignments or when you're giving an assignment that requires you to put in the form of presentation, kindly click on the subscribe button so that you'll be notified every single time I release a video. So see you in the next tutorial. Bye.